So over here, let me just go ahead and access out this computer right here. So let's just go ahead right here, and then I'm going to go ahead and access it. And as long as the other computer actually goes ahead and accepts it out, you'll be able to go ahead and see the other computer. So if I were to, let's say, for example, press Ctrl, Alt, and Delete on my keyboard, then it actually opens up the menu from my computer. This is not what I want. I actually want the let's say all control delete function to be sent on this particular remote computer. In that case, what you can actually do right here is go around over here onto actions right here. And here you can see that send control alt delete option right here. If you were to click on it now you can see that the remote computer control alt delete actually opens up just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and send the alt control delete from actions right here. But for that, what the other user needs to do is go ahead and accept it out as they actually go ahead and then accept the connection. So let's say, for example, if I were to actually go ahead and close this from the other user, let's say, for example, what happens is that a request will be sent right here. On the session right here, you need to make sure that send all control delete is checked on. Right now, it's not. That's why it won't be functional. So I need to go ahead and check this on right here from the more section for this to be enabled for the remote user. And that is how you can go ahead and use the Control Alt and Delete command inside of AnyDesk. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.